Hello everybody. Today we'll be looking at 5 essential tools you need to start doing your own at-home electrical work. So let's head over to the workbench and see what we have. Alright, so we're at the workbench, and first up we have a pair of lineman's pliers. So I have two here, a larger set and a smaller set. If you're doing strictly at-home electrical, you're doing outlets, switches, what have you, you're mainly working with 12 gauge and 14 gauge wires, these smaller sets will do just fine for you. But if you want more of an all-around tool that you're going to use outside of just electrical around the house, you're going to want a nice big set of linemen's. You'll find out a lot of uses that you'll have for that. Alright, so up next, we have a good 10-in-1, 11-in-1 screwdriver. It's going to give you 2 sizes of fill-ups, 2 sizes of flatheads. You'll have a couple square bits in there, a couple star bits in there. You'll have nut driver ends on each set. So you'll be able to use this for your screws on your outlets, screws on your switches, fixtures, basically anything. You could interchange it alternatively if you wanted to have a set of separate screwdrivers, but for me, this is a go-to. Alright. Next up, we're going to have a pair of needle nose pliers. This is going to be great. You have to manipulate the wires in tight settings. Also, when you want to make your hooks for on your outlet screws, these fine points are perfect for that. And that's it. They also have cutters on it. You can use to cut the wires. Fourth, we have a pair of strippers. Now you can use your linemen's to strip wires, but this just makes it so much easier to have an easy set of strippers. Now strippers will also have different sizes for screws and everything here. If you want to cut your screws. Alright, so strippers. Alright, and finally, a simple tester. Just if you're in somewhere you want to see whether something's live or not. It's not a precise test or anything like that, but if you're in a box and you want to see when something's in there live, this will tell you whether something's in there that's alive. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. These are my 5 essential tools if you start wanting to do at-home electrical. Feel free to add in the comments what you would add to this list. I mean, there's many more things you can add to come up with a full toolkit to work on electrical. But just to start out, these are the 5 items to start your toolkit with. Thank you for watching Maple Lodge Productions. Please like and subscribe.